Hi everyone, I'm Miss Siren. This is a basic Excel tutoring. This time we are going to learn AutoFill. When you use the AutoFill feature, you can input data faster and easier. Open your Excel and let's do it. Put your mouse on B2 cell. Input 1. Then you'll see a small black box at the right-down corner of the cell. This is fill handle. When you put your mouse here, a small cross pointer will appear. Drag until P7 cell. As you see, automatically number 1 all filled. Select B2 cell. Drag the fill handle to the right until F2 cell. Again, the same value is all filled. Like this, handling directions depend on your need. Next, put your mouse A2 cell, input number 1, and while you press Ctrl and drag the fill handle until A15 cell. Oh, see? These cells are automatically filled with sequence numbers. If you want to input from 1 to 200 as a sequence number, this will be very useful, isn't it? If you want the series 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. How can you solve it? Let's find a way. Most important is establish your pattern in the first 2 cells. Namely, put your mouse on D5 cell. Input 10, enter, and 20. And select a range from D5 cell to D6 cell. And drag the fill handle until D10 cell. Can you see? Isn't this really simple? Also, if you want the series 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, typing 2 and 4 and drag the fill handle across the range, then you want to fill. Just simple. The next let's learn AutoFill date series. Put your mouse G2 cell. Input January 15th, 2020. Then drag the fill handle until G10 cell. Say automatically filled with days increased by 1 day. What about filling monthly on date series? For example, if you want the series January 20th, 2020, February 20th, 2020, March 20th, 2020, how can you solve it? Simply, put your mouse H2 cell and input January 20th, 2020. Then press enter and input February 20th, 2020. In order to establish a pattern, then select a range from H2 to H3. Drag the fill handle until H10 cell. Again, isn't it simple? I hope today's lesson helps your need at work or school. Thank you for watching. This is Miss Siren. See you next time. Bye-bye.